What is machine learning? What is the thing that makes it so super special that every CS student wants to be a ML expert nowadays? Here we will learn about ML at its core. After watching this series, I'm sure everyone will become not an expert, but someone who can openly talk about it and also will get enough info to start your journey in the field of machine learning. So let's get started. In traditional programming, like we do in our C++ or Java, we make a program, give it some input and gets a output. Say a program of addition. We feed the logic C equals to A plus B print C and gives the input A and B. So what does AI do differently? So here instead of telling formula C equals to A plus B, we just give A comma B input, C the output. How addition is done, our ML program doesn't know. But we give it plenty of examples. It's similar to when we were kids. We too didn't know what that plus means. But with practice and examples, we get to know the meaning of addition. So with examples, our ML program too learns stuff. So let's see it in action. Here we are using two libraries, NumPy and scikit-learn, provided by Python. So here what we are trying to do is take an input x. X is our NumPy array which has two things. These can be our inputs. 1 plus 1, that gives 2. Here is the second input, 1 plus 2, that gives us 3. So likewise we are doing all the inputs in X. We are providing all the inputs in X and all the outputs in our Y. Then we are passing it to a linear regression based model to fit X comma Y. That's our input mapped to our output. And we get a model out of it. And then a model prediction is happening here. So here we are passing 3 comma 5, that is 3 plus 5, and here is our output. So we have seen our first ML program. Now what are the various steps of ML life cycle? First step is formulate your idea into a ML problem. So our example problem is addition of two numbers. Second is gathering of data and processing it. Here we have to get many sets of input and output for our addition problem. Our third step is model building. Here we have to select a model that suits our needs. For current task, I am using a regression model. We pass set of inputs and output into our model. Here the model learns the pattern out of our data and creates its own function. Now to test our model, we pass some unseen data into it, and rightly our model predicted the answer, like the 3 plus 5 equals to 8. After that, we can deploy our model on web. For that part, we can use Flask, Django and various other frameworks we'll learn later.